Low-cost switch to enable remote control for existing in-wall switch. Report immediate wattage consumption or kWh energy usage over a period of time. Support Z-Wave Explorer frames. Repeat Z-Wave message. Z-Wave certification number, ZC08112090006. Top reviews from the United States. Great item, easy to install. If you are comfortable working with electrical outlets, this is an easy way to remotely control your light with Smartthings. I did not want to change my switches because I hate the toggle and the paddle switches offered. This was my next option. Works great and instructions were easy to follow. Now Aeon Labs needs to make one to work with a 3-way or 4-way switch.